According to the Health and Family Welfare, the country's coronavirus tally crossed 7 lakh this week, out of which more than 4 lakhs have been cured. The northeast region has been witnessing a steep rise in cases. Assam has the highest number of COVID-19 cases among the 8 northeast states. With 50+ cases, Shillong has the lowest numbers of COVID cases in the region.
The state's biggest city, Guwahati, and the rest of the Kamrup Metro district have been placed under total shutdown for 14 days beginning June 28 due to community spread of the disease. The number of COVID-19 cases crossed 12,000 this week in Assam. To break the chain of coronavirus in the state, Tripura observed a 24-hour complete shutdown on 5th and 6th July. All markets, shops, offices were closed and the movement of vehicles was restricted.
बीमारी के लिए बंद रहना पड़ेगा, बीमारी जाके बढ़े नहीं, इसलिए बंद करना सरकार का जरूरी है।
तो अभी सिचुएशन क्या है?
सिचुएशन यही है कि सब अच्छा हो जाए, पब्लिक बीमारी नहीं बढ़े।
Roads had a deserted look, and though emergency services like filling stations and medical shops were open, but without any customers. Many working in the emergency services expressed that due to the absence of public vehicles, they had to walk to their workplace and are returning home on foot.
অসুবিধা কি অন্ত আমরা যাইতে হইব আইতে হইব এটা আর কি গাড়ি নাই লকডাউনে লেগে গাড়ি নাই
Manipur reported more than 1,000 positive cases this week, out of which more than 700 have recovered and been discharged, while the number of active cases stands at 600. According to reports, the recovery rate is 52.80%. The total number of positive cases in Nagaland stands at 644 as of July 7th. A total of 14,151 samples have been tested till 7th July, and the results of 13,493 samples have been received. Out of the 14,151 samples, 9,071 samples have been tested at the BSL-3 lab at the Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima, out of which 462 samples have tested positive. Further, 7,499 samples have tested negative. More than 3,000 persons are presently under facility quarantine. Arunachal Pradesh has so far witnessed 200+ COVID-19 positive cases, out of which 176 cases are active, out of which 81 cases are from the Itanagar capital region. The Sikkim government asked the army and the paramilitary forces to start random testing of their personnel for COVID-19 before they travel back to their postings in the state. The total number of active cases in Sikkim and Mizoram increased to 100 this week, with several COVID-positive cases registered from the Border Security Force. The health authorities and officials have been asked to take more care. Earlier, the State Health Department declared BSF headquarters in Shillong as a containment zone.
We are always in touch with the BSF in the borders, in the BOPs. And therefore, I think the BSF authorities should see that these BSF officials or BSF trucks or vehicles flying through these border areas do not stop unnecessarily on the way.
Whereas the total number of active cases in Shillong have increased to 50 this week.